Alright, here's this plate I'm using. I just flipped this over. You flip it over, do the other side because it's the same bolt pattern on both sides when you flip it. Just the opposite direction, so it works on the other head. So this one here, I have all the different head styles marked down on here, which one fits what. So this is a late 45 head, so I got to find the one that says 45L on it for late. And these here are made the same height. So we got to find our other late one. Let's see, I think that's going to be, yeah, it's that one right there. Looks like it also fits an RL 45, which is an early one. So just screw these all the way down. Pretty simple jig. Basically, we just laid head gaskets up on top of the plate and started putting holes wherever they matched up. Try not to drill two studs with the same holes, or two holes with one stud in the same area. So you gotta have a little bit of a gap between them, otherwise they don't work right. So it gets kind of interesting trying to figure out what to do. Alright, so we got these all on here. Make sure we get all the grit off of them. Alright, so here's our other head right here. So this is what it was before and after, basically. So this here is just they're cut how they were before, so we don't have no idea where the height's going to be, just like we did the first time we cut it. So nice and even. Didn't want to go down. So just loosen these up slightly. See, something isn't working for us over here. My guess is a weld in the hole. Oh, what a shocker. There's a weld in the hole right there. Alright, well that's going to be a problem getting that one to go in because it's got a big turd right there. So this one over here looks like it's going to be the same problem. So I'm going to have to spot face these down before I can even do the first part. So let me go find those tools. Alright, here's our head. We got to recounterboard these. I got to remount these holes here where the welding is on where I need to be at. So we put a reamer here in my hand drill. So I'll hand drill these holes here out. And this will go over here. You can see our counter bore right here, spot facer now. Got my extra long sleeve I made up years ago. That way you can go in this big long hole here and cut pretty much almost all the way down the side of a fin, like this thing over here you hit way up high. So you'll be able to clear it. And the head's going to sit on top of these 4 blocks right here. And we're only going to be able to hit on these little corners right here because obviously it's welded everywhere else. So we'll try to go ahead and spot face those slightly to even them up a little bit. So that's what I got to do. So can't really do that and show you, so I'll just tell you what I did and I'll come back and show you. Okay, we got this hole cut out right here with the reamer. That one over there, get that corner over there. Cut this one out. Cut this one out. So there are 4 we need to get done. So I'll go ahead and put it on the get that up in the mill, and we're going to lay this out for the spot facing. We're going to get ready to hit this hole here. You can see how warped this head is. Just really way warped. So it only hits on this corner over here and this one way back over there. So when I pull this one out, it sits pretty flat. Everything comes down. It's a lot flatter, so this side of the head over here is really pulled up. We'll leave that one out. We'll just go ahead and bore it through with this one. So that's where we're at next. Alright, I had to change out the drill chuck here because we're hitting on this fin with a chuck. Come down like that, we're hitting down here. Got to change that out. You can also see how we're only hitting right here, and it's a big cut. So very, very dangerous because it's trying to rip it right out of your hand, and we have very little support here, so if any one of these blocks drops down, the head cocks and basically tries to rip my wrist in half while I'm trying to hold the head square. Because right now with all this crap everywhere, this head can't rotate, so it's going to break this cutter off if it digs in. So anyway, that's where we're at right now. Real dangerous spot right here.